Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about ClearPass licensing. ClearPass licensing can be sound confusing at the first, but in this quick video, I will explain how Aruba ClearPass licensing work. So, we'll start the module. Aruba ClearPass have mainly three different licensing model: access license, onboard license, and OnGuard license. Access license enabling the authentication features for the services and also service creation. This licensing available as perpetual license, evaluation license, and also the subscription base. Also, this access license unlock full set of ClearPass policy manager features. It supports .1x authentication, wired or wireless, web auth authentications, TACACS authentication, and also guest access. Onboard license is the feature which it is enabling the BYOD feature, bring your own device. By using this onboard license, you can onboard the personal devices with certificate into the network. So onboard license available as perpetual license, evaluation license, or a subscription base also. Onboard license consume will be each and every device it will consume a license in the onboard. OnGuard, the other licensing model is OnGuard. OnGuard is using to check the post validation, otherwise health check of the connected devices. OnGuard license available as perpetual, evaluation, or a subscription base also. Additionally, there is another license model is available. It is called the platform license. Platform license is using to enable the ClearPass virtual appliance. Without platform license, you cannot activate the ClearPass virtual appliance. Additionally, in virtual environment, so you need platform license or any of these three model of license based on your requirement. So that is for today. We'll catch up in the next video.